Microsoft Word is more than just a word processor. It's a powerful productivity tool that can save you hours if you know how to use it effectively. In this video, I'll show you some key features in Word that help students, professionals, and anyone who writes regularly get more done in less time. One of the biggest time savers is styles and formatting. Instead of manually changing fonts, sizes, and headings throughout your document, you can apply preset styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, or Normal. Not only does this keep your document consistent, but if you need to make a change, updating the style updates the whole document instantly. Next, quick parts and auto text can dramatically speed up repetitive typing. If you frequently use phrases, signatures, or disclaimers, you can save them as reusable blocks. With just a few clicks, you can insert them anywhere in your document, eliminating repetitive typing and minimizing errors. Another huge time saver is the navigation pane. By pressing Ctrl F, you can quickly jump between headings, search for text, or drag entire sections to rearrange your document. For long reports, research papers, or manuals, this feature alone can save countless minutes scrolling and searching. Track changes and comments are essential for collaboration. Instead of emailing drafts back and forth, Word lets multiple people suggest edits directly in the document. You can accept or reject changes with a click, and the commenting system helps clarify feedback instantly, saving time compared to writing separate notes. Don't forget the Editor and Read Aloud features. Editor highlights grammar, style, and clarity issues so you can correct mistakes quickly, while Read Aloud lets you listen to your writing, catching errors your eyes might skip. This speeds up proofreading and ensures your work is polished before submission. Finally, keyboard shortcuts are a massive time saver. From Ctrl+C/ Ctrl+V for copy-paste to Ctrl+Z, Ctrl+Y for undo and redo, mastering shortcuts allows you to perform actions in seconds instead of navigating menus. Combine shortcuts with the other features, and you'll notice huge efficiency gains. By using these MS Word tools, styles, quick parts, navigation pane, track changes, editor, and shortcuts, you can streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and spend more time focusing on the content that matters, rather than formatting or hunting through documents. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more time-saving tech tips and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.